Eminem the Punisher, look out for the
But
signs.
as you can see from this, there's quite a lot of things that are linking up, especially with that song, the lyrics and the cue. But let me just confirm it even more. When he was on Jonathan Ross, have a look at what was on the comic cover that he was on. And again, I'll show you the cue post, how it all links.
Oh yeah, I kind of I had that hobby when I was a kid. Like I used to collect comics a lot, and I guess as I started to get sober, I kind of like fell back in love with comic books again. Like, oh, this is dope. Why did I ever leave this alone?
There you go. There's Eminem on the cover of the Punisher, one of the Punisher comics, a recent one. That's got to be. You've got to know you've arrived when you're on the cover of the Punisher.
Oh yeah, that's how you know you made it.
Yeah. The hat you're wearing in that particular illustration, because it's red, it looks rather like my wife has something like that.
The Punisher. So we go on the Q post. The Punisher is just throughout the Q post. Look, I type in Punisher. Equal justice under the law as written. Transparency, disclosure, and accountability is the only way forward. The future of our republic at stake. Watergate times 1,000. Watergate times 1,000. So look, the Punisher, got again the Epstein, some man on had the Punisher face to Pepe, the Punisher, look, a traitor's justice, the Punisher. John Durham's the Punisher, look, God will judge our enemies, we'll arrange the meeting. When we're done, he'll claim Kenyan citizenship as a way to escape. So that's talking about Obama. Look, and you see Trump's pointing at him then. When I'm done, it'll be like you were never here, as the meme. Too many synchronicities. So just happens to be the Punisher on a national TV show, which again, if you go on YouTube and type in Eminem videos, that one just happens to pop up with all the other ones that he's done, because it's all important for us to connect the dots.